The graph shown below, this graph, exhibits the rate of interest on FDs, fixed deposits, up to 1 year, announced by Reserve Bank of India in different years. Read the graph and answer the following questions 14 to 15. So, see here, this is these on y-axis it is interest rates and x-axis it is time. Now, what is FD? What is Reserve Bank of India? Actually, it's of no concern to you in this question, but then also I'll tell you. FD means fixed deposits. There are three types of deposits in banking: savings, current, and fixed. So fixed means you keep it for 1 year, 2 year, and banks give you some amount. You can't withdraw it before the time which you have invested. Savings means you can invest anytime and take out anytime. Current is for the business persons. That's it. Now, what is RBI? Reserve Bank of India. It is a controlling body for all the banks in India. It sets the rules and regulations in simple terms, and all banks have to follow it. So that is RBI. Okay, next go to the question. The difference between the maximum and minimum rate of interest is here. Maximum rate of interest is when this point. This point is what? 12. Okay. Minimum is what? 7. Now this is difficult to understand. You have to draw a straight line from here to cut it at the y-axis. So it will be at center. So that is 7. So difference is what? 12 minus 7. That is